Alright guys, CSX IOOA. He's right down, he's going to be coming, he's right down there. He'll be getting ready to cross the diamonds and head on east. Plus, the CSX Conrail Heritage Unit is still in Marysville, Ohio. It's been there for about like a couple weeks now. Anyway, there it is. IOOA. This train will be passing through the Northeast PA. This train, CSX IOOA, will be passing through the Lakeshore Railway Historical Train Museum train cameras in Northeast PA, which is outside of Erie, Pennsylvania. The Lakeshore Railway train cameras are very cool to see. You got the east and west cameras, and it's available to everyone on YouTube. But just go to YouTube and type Lakeshore Railway Train Museums. Go to YouTube and type Lakeshore Railway Train Museum cameras, and then it'll give you the cameras. Today is Wednesday, March 6th, 2024. It's raining outside, very wet out. Alright guys, that was CSX IOOA. It came from Rose Lake Illinois. And it's going to North Bergen New Jersey, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.